Okay, day 2 with the Kubota excavator, and you guys have seen us already pulling all these pipes out. We're gonna take them across the road, and I got Pop here helping, and Uncle Austin right here, and we did roundup this morning and got 88 cattle and 47 calves put through, and so we're all tired, and now we're gonna do some more work. But we got the pipes out, and we're gonna, it's cold. It is still cold. It's actually warming up a little bit though. But we got about a 30-foot pipe and about a 20-foot pipe. We're gonna take them across. Gonna have to drag this one all the way in, so probably the safest way to do that. But we'll get in there, get these pipes laid in the trench, and I'll see you in a minute. Today, I dragged a giant 30-foot pipe through a field. Productive day, productive day. Okay, so we've completed the journey. The trek to get the piece of pipe here was long and arduous. So we got some key things here. The goal...
I was carrying this end.
The goal is to get this little nodule upwards. And then we're trying to get it about maybe 6 more feet that way. So we're gonna unhook and push it over and then roll it in. And I think we've calculated just right that the nodule should be up, the little divot.
When did the calculations begin? I missed that part.
I calculated it all on the drive over, the whole drive over. Found its final resting place. I don't know if you remember the haters or not, doubting my math calculations, but guess what? Guess where the little dent is? Right on top! Oh yeah, he grabbed it with his bare hands and he spun it into place. And look who else showed up. What are you doing?
Playing.
When did you get here?
Just now?
Yeah? Who brought you?
Mommy.
Mommy and Joe?
Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Joe, say cheese.
My hand's freezing.
Your hands are freezing.
Yeah.
They're freezing.
It's cold today.
We gotta get this other pipe off of here.
Uh-oh. All right, we better.
The pipe is in. Now we're gonna take this other pipe up here where we're gonna be putting in some other stuff. So once we get this done, we are gonna get the rest of the stuff out of the bottom of this creek down here. It's starting to get pretty dark though. I mean, we have been working all day, worked those cows. It's been a full day for sure. We got the excavator for one more day. Tomorrow we should be able to finish up, get everything that we need to get done finished with the excavator. So it's been a really, really good rental. Again, I cannot recommend Great Plains Kubota enough. Just way better.
We put the pipe up there for later use, but
like we had a lot of work to do when it came to just getting the stuff out of the creek. And I know I've said it 2 other times, but I cannot thank Great Plains Kubota enough, because without them, none of this would have actually happened. It's so nice being able to show up, get the gear you need, and head out and finish what you got to do. This really was a long day. We had been outside all day. From the moment we got up, we went out and worked all those cattle, and then stopped doing that, walked up the hill, and started working on this project. My dad and my brother really helped us out on this project, because I wouldn't have been able to do this by myself. Well, I guess I could have, but it would have taken a lot longer without their help. My brother was really happy though, because he did get to come out and play with the excavator for a while, which any guy loves to just come play with the big equipment. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content we put out. I'll leave you guys with this last shot, which is one of my favorites. Seeing 30 minutes of time go by in just a few seconds is super cool. I love watching the water move as the bucket moves the dams out of the way. Stay tuned for part 3 of our excavator fun. We'll see you guys on the next video.